Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. That's right, friends. Today is Monday. I am up. I am moving. So you're getting behind the scenes that Instagram does not see. I'm in my sports bra and my pajamas. I'm about to email Iceland Air about my trip, about my, I call them excursions because that's what you call them on a cruise ship. I'm calling them about my excursion, that part of my excursion that was canceled, and see if they like refund some of the money or change what type it is, because there is one that just goes to Blue Lagoon. And then I'm going to check on my excursion for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my longer day. Hold on, you guys. You know, I made an itinerary. Where is it? Is it this one? Okay, so tomorrow is supposed to be South Coast and Glacier Lagoon. So I don't know if that's gonna go. I hope it does, because I really want to go. I want to see the glaciers. I believe everything happens for a reason. There's a purpose behind stuff. Like, you don't know why stuff is happening right now, but down the road you'd be like, it was really protecting me. So maybe this is my reason why to come back. I'm really trying not to repeat countries unless there's something that I really want to do. So I've been to Ghana multiple times because that's where my family's from. That's where my daddy's from. I have my aunties and my uncle there. We went there, I think it's going to be 4 years in February, because I'm about to be 44. We went for my 40th birthday. And then I've gone to Greece. And this is like in my adult life. On that, like I spent a summer in Switzerland with my aunt and my cousins and my uncle. I count that, but not count that, because I was like in 8th grade going into 9th grade. And then I've been to the Cayman Islands. I've done like the Caribbean. So I don't want to repeat unless I have to. But I definitely will come back to Iceland, because there's so many more things I could do that I didn't do. And I would do like a week. Mind you, it is very expensive here. It's very expensive. But like when you're buying goods, you can get your tax money, the taxes that you paid, back when you get to the airport. But you've got to do it before you check in. So I'm going to do that on Wednesday as well. I really want a sweater. They're over $200. Or maybe I get one when I come back. I don't know. And then socks. I want to get my parents socks. Because the wool here is really nice, and I think they're known for it, right? Okay, let me log on to this website so I can see what that is all about, and start getting ready. Because I want to head to the church. The church opens up at 10. And I want to see the sunrise. I don't think it's not that far a walk. I think it might be 15 minutes. So I just finished eating breakfast. I checked my email, and I got an email from the excursion company. Blue Lagoon was canceled. They canceled it for this afternoon. So that means I have all day to explore the city. They said the roads are going to be closing to go to Blue Lagoon, so that's why they canceled it, and we could reschedule. But I already have an excursion planned for tomorrow. Fingers crossed that it goes. I don't know. But we are taking whatever happens. I'm having a blast. I've never been to Iceland before, so like I said, I'm going to go explore downtown. I'm going to go to the Lutheran Church to go up to the top and see the whole city. There's a bakery that someone mentioned in my comments on Instagram, so I'm going to go check that out. I'm stuffed right now, but why not try it? And I'm going to do some shopping. You know, things happen. This is an adventure, and this makes it even more of an adventure because my excursions are canceling. Okay, guys, I forgot my hat upstairs, so I gotta go get my hat. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, outside, outside. crazy. So I'm walking past this storefront, and this woman's like cleaning and stuff, and there's like this doll, or at least what I thought was a doll. But it wasn't. It was a real life baby. But it looked like one of those. And then I saw it, and the baby started really moving. So I was like, no, that's what I had to go in there. I'm like, I thought that was a doll. She was super cute. The lady was super nice.
Fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night. Beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside. 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 It's cold outside. 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 Cold outside.
See the bell tower, it rings every 15 minutes. I haven't been up here for it, but there it is up there. Friends, do you remember that church right there that I went in? Well, I was supposed to go to a lava show, and I put in the wrong directions, or the wrong address. So I went 15 minutes out of my way. The lava show is still another 40 minutes away. It's about 3 miles. I'm not gonna make the lava show. I'm just gonna continue exploring around down here and having a good time. This restaurant, I actually came here on our walking food tour, and what we had was really delicious. I am having a pumpkin soup today. It has pumpkin seeds, and it came with bread, so why not? This butter is absolutely amazing. I'm also having an Irish coffee. I think once I'm done with this one, I'm gonna get Iceland beer. I made it back to my hotel room. I've just been chilling here. I talked with my friend Sue for a little bit. I called my next excursion for tomorrow to make sure it was still going on and what time I'd be picked up, and they canceled it. It is canceled. I'm not going to go to the South Coast. I'm not going to go walk the glacier. Like I said, there's a storm coming in. I thought it was just for today, but it's going to be a blizzard. It's going to start getting worse as the night goes on, and it should be better by noon tomorrow, you guys. But that's okay. This has been such an amazing adventure, and that's what travel is. This is what it is, and I am appreciating each moment of it. My friend Sue, she was like, you know, maybe this was time for you to relax. So tomorrow I'm going to probably just chill at the hotel. There is another hot springs that is in this town that I want to try. The lady that I met at the lady that I sat with on the what do you call it, Northern Lights tour, she told me about one that she went to. It was super nice, not super busy or crowded. That's here. So I'm gonna go down and ask reception about it and see about maybe getting a package to go there as well. Okay guys, I'm about to head down for, I was gonna go down for happy hour, but it's almost over. So I'm gonna go down and have like a beer or something and maybe some fries or nachos. I don't know. I'm not super starving because I had such a late breakfast, and an early-ish lunch. We'll see. Good night. Thank you so much for following along with me today. And I'm gonna bring you guys along tomorrow. I'm not quite sure what the day is gonna bring or what I'm going to do, but I'm gonna bring you with me. Okay. Good night, guys.